So I'm going to adjust this. The first thing I do is free up the lock nut. I keep my fingers out of the pivot points and out of the gates. And I use my 5/8 to close that gate, which I left on the table over there. So I've loosened up the jam nut. Now I'm going to take the 5/8 and screw the adjustment bolt in until this gap closes here. So there, I'm a little bit higher here, a little bit lower here. The gate's just a little bit crooked, but that's good enough right there because it will adjust itself as you get to using it more and more. And that's how you adjust the gates.